The company focuses on the production of automated intelligent livestock and poultry equipment, is a collection of R&D, production, sales, installation, after-sales in one of the automation, intelligence, modernization of breeding equipment enterprises for the world's customers to supply livestock breeding equipment from China, focusing on West Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, South America, and other regions of the livestock factory, supply automation, intelligent poultry breeding equipment, intelligent poultry breeding equipment. The factory is located in Xiping Industrial Cluster, Zhumadian City, Henan Province, China. If you need to set up chicken farms, pig farms, pigeon farms, etc. in West Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and any other countries and regions in the world, please contact us, an automated animal husbandry machinery and farming equipment manufacturing company from Henan, China, specializing in providing livestock farmers all over the world with automated, intelligent animal husbandry machinery and equipment design, automated laying hen farming machinery and equipment manufacturing, automated broiler farming equipment manufacturing, installation and successful operation of one-stop services from China. According to the length, width, and height of your farmhouse and the number of chickens you breed, we can calculate the most reasonable program for you to buy the livestock breeding equipment and arrange personnel to your country for your installation, commissioning, successful operation. Ensure a modern, automated, intelligent farm presented in front of you and bring you rolling wealth. Free to provide you with detailed technical information on livestock breeding equipment. All this, you call for free access. The company focuses on comprehensive automation, intelligent livestock and poultry breeding equipment manufacturing, is a collection of research and development, production, sales, installation, after-sales in one of the modernization of the breeding equipment enterprises. The main products are stacked egg equipment, stacked brooder equipment, stacked breeder equipment, stacked broiler equipment, chicken manure treatment equipment, egg packaging equipment. The company from the planning and design of breeding equipment, configuration, installation to after-sales can provide a series of high-quality services in place for customers to build a modern farm. The company can undertake the world's 10,000 chickens to 1 million chickens, ducks, pigeons, rabbits, and other large, medium, small, and other scales of automated breeding farm equipment production, installation, after-sales service. We can quickly make your farm from planning to laying eggs or output to realize economic benefits. If you need to create chicken farms, pig farms, pigeons, and other animal husbandry business in your country, please contact us, automated livestock and poultry farming machinery and equipment company from Henan. China specializes in providing livestock and poultry farmers all over the world with automated and intelligent livestock and poultry farming machinery and equipment made in China, from the design, installation to the successful operation of a one-stop service. Company contact phone 00864007567068. Free information to get the phone 00861391-784-9689 can be added directly through the cell phone number WhatsApp communication.